So in today's video, children will engage in an activity mimic the movements of animals. It will focus on how different animals walk. This activity is vital for cognitive skill development and the children's understanding of characteristics like the gait and the sounds of various animals. When children imitate animals, they walk like them. It also promotes the development of their gross motor skills. For this activity, you can create images of different animals like snakes, lions, elephants, rabbits, and turtles. Come, let's see how we can engage children in this fun-filled activity. So as you can see that the teacher is gathering the children, introducing the fun activity of mimicking various animals. Using pictures, she prompts them to identify, imitate animals like elephants, lions, rabbits, snakes, and frogs. With descriptive objectives and demonstration, she guides them on how each one moves and sounds. Encouraging interactive participation, she allows children to enact different animals, fostering creativity and expression. Transforming into a race, she attaches animal pictures to the children's fronts or backs and she prompts them to move like a respective animal. The activity joyful emulates their chosen creature and learning while having fun. After playing this activity, do discuss with the children about the movements of each animal. We will meet again soon with a new activity and a new video.